Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to delete your old Instagram account without email, phone number or password. So first of all, launch Instagram application. Now make sure that you create another account in order to delete your old account. Then go to the search and then search for your old account's username. So for instance, this is my old account. Then tap on the three dots option that you see at the top right corner of your screen. Now over here, tap on the option of Report on Third. Now from here, I'm going to select the option of It may have been hacked. You can choose any of these options. So after this again, you'll come across various options. You can choose any of these, but for now, I'm going to tap on something else. With this, you will be able to report Instagram's account of this person. You can also go to learn more about Instagram's community guidelines, and you will be led to this page. You can go through all these information given, and if you scroll down below. Now, in case if you don't find this helpful, you can tap on this option of No, and then choose any of these options here. Then in this box below, you can describe your problem to Instagram and then tap on the option of submit. By doing so, you will be able to send a feedback to Instagram, and in order to delete your old account without email, phone number or password, you have to constantly keep on reporting that account until Instagram permanently disables that old account of yours. So this is the only way through which you can resolve your issue. And that's it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.